Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete MEXC account. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your existing account, and once you've logged in, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and basically you will look for the account section, and once you see the account, you will just have to click it, and then you will select security settings, and then you will see close account. So you just gotta explore so that you will be able to actually see it, and then read the warnings. All the funds must be withdrawn first, and then after that you will confirm your identity by completing the 2FA verification and email confirmation, and after that you will just have to click delete account, and your account will now be deactivated, and the funds will no longer be accessible. And yeah, again, make sure that all your assets are withdrawn before deleting, and account deletion is permanent, by the way. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.